Hello, my name is Natalia. I'm a graduate student at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. I'm also a really big fan of oat cinema. So today I'm really excited to talk to you about my research and my appreciation for oat cinema. Organization is really important for life. It's everywhere, even in the floor plans to your home. Houses are organized by rooms that serve different purposes. We can think of rooms and houses being like compartments and cells. For a really long time, scientists viewed bacteria like studio floor plans, being open space with little to no organizations, which is different from how cells in animals and plants are viewed, sophisticated, organized. Despite us knowing that that's not true, bacteria continue to be portrayed as not using or having any compartments. The truth is that compartments allow cells to have different spaces to accomplish different tasks. And so, regardless of the type of cell, all cells have compartments to stay organized. And cells need compartments because compartments help cells to sort, store, make, and or break down molecules. Many bacteria have encapsulin-based compartments. They are super tiny, and basically what happens is dozens of encapsulins will come together to form a symmetrical shell that are loaded with a specific cargo. Encapsulins selectively capture these cargo because of a feature that only the encapsulins recognize. We can think of encapsulins as being cargo-loaded compartments. The help that encapsulins offer to the cell really just depend on the cargo inside. The captured cargo protein is the one who does the work for the cell. Some encapsulins are known to store iron, break down toxins, or store sulfur. The encapsulin system will be focusing on breaks down an unstable molecule called peroxides. In a healthy cell, it's normal for there to be low levels of peroxides present, but if there are too many of these molecules around, then the cell is experiencing oxidative stress. And peroxidases help relieve this stress. At high levels of oxidative stress, this can actually kill the cell. And so peroxidases help cells manage this kind of stress. Some bacteria have peroxidase-loaded encapsulins. Some of these bacteria are commensal, meaning they're harmless to you. Others are pathogenic, meaning they cause disease. And opportunistic bacteria are generally harmless, but under certain conditions can become pathogenic. We can think of these bacteria as playing different characters from the classic Western, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Salmonella, Escherichia, Shigella are Enterobacteria, and they have the same peroxidase-loaded encapsulin compartment. In these species of bacteria, some of them are pathogenic, meaning that they cause gastrointestinal diseases, such as food poisoning. Bad enterobacteria are more likely to have these peroxidase-loaded encapsulins. And so that raises a lot of questions. For one, what does this compartment look like? How does encapsulation by the compartment affect peroxidase work? And lastly, how are bad enterobacteria using them differently from good bacteria? The hypothesis is that encapsulins help peroxidases be better workers, letting it work in an ideal and protected space away from background clutter. Gut pathogens could also be using this compartment as a weapon against oxidative stress, making them more dangerous during an infection. Your body will attack the bad bacteria by exposing it to stress molecules such as peroxide. The bad bacteria is able to manage the sudden oxidative stress by quickly breaking down the peroxide, allowing the bacteria to survive your body's attacks. So, using structural biology, biochemistry, and microbiology approaches, I'll be able to understand how the compartment is organized, how it operates, and how good pathogens weaponize them. The insight into this encapsulating compartment will be very useful to develop treatments that de-weaponize the encapsulating compartment. Encapsulins can serve as a potential target to stop bad bacteria and cure gastrointestinal related infections. So in summary, we have talked about rooms and houses being like compartments in cells. Bacteria use protein compartments to stay organized, and encapsulants will encapsulate specific cargo workers. Encapsulants can be used for good or bad. It just depends on who has the weapon. And my work focuses on understanding how this compartment looks, how it works, and how it is used. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or are interested in reaching out to me, you can contact me by email or my LinkedIn. If you want to learn more about the research that my group does, you can check out our lab website or find us on Twitter. And with that, have a great day.